Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to set up a way to access your chat history. For example, when you try to log in into the Messenger on a new device or already log in Facebook account and you try to log in into Messenger, and after that you see this kind of interface. So what is the meaning of that? So basically, if you want to get the chat history on any device you try to log in with the Messenger, then you can also set up a pin, and there is also another option available you can simply use for security reason. So basically it is a Messenger new feature which allows you to access all of your chat history on any devices you log in on Messenger. So if you want to get all the chat history, then you can simply create a pin, and after providing that pin you can simply get all the chat you want. So in this way it has enhanced all the security of the chats, and you can also get the chat history with that security. So if you want to check how you can fix that, so you have to simply open the Messenger here, and after that you can simply check all of your chats here. And after that, if you log out your account and try to log in your account any other devices, then you can simply provide a pin so that you can get all of your chat history. Moreover, if you want to check how many devices you are logged in on Messenger, so you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to go to privacy and safety, and here you have to go to end-to-end encrypted chats, and you have to click on logins. So it will tell you all the details about the devices you are logged in on Messenger, and you can get all the chat history after you provide the pin or the security feature on Messenger, and you can get all the chat history. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.